A strong presence of women is proven to be key for the success of a workplace. But since the pandemic, 1 in 3 women has considered leaving or left the workplace. And this cost the company up to 2 times the employee's yearly salary. That is why Silatha offers companies a meditation and community program powered by an app with over 500 tailor-made meditations that include coaching to support women during the specific life challenges like menopause, combining motherhood and work, female leadership, and more. There is peer-to-peer support where women are connected to other women that face the same life challenge. We bring in experts and offer insights on the key mental challenges in the company. And all of this creates a positive company culture and demonstrates that they are committed to women so that women feel taken care of and stay.